everybody.
Hi,
I'm Cindy.
I'm Debbie.
We're sisters in stitches and sisters in real life.
And I'm eating popcorn, so forgive me for sucking at my teeth.
Last week I got a few clothing boxes in and I was sick and I kept saying to Debbie, oh, okay, maybe tomorrow, maybe tomorrow, maybe tomorrow. Well, finally I thought I've already extended these boxes, so I had to get them back. So what I decided to do is I got a Natalie Attired and I got a Stitch Fix, and I kept 3 pieces from Natalie Attired and 2 pieces from Stitch Fix. So I just put all 5 together and it's my Natalie / Stitch Fix box. But Natalie Attired, what's really nice is they just changed their pricing. It used to be specials they would do this, but now you only have to buy 3 items to get the 20% discount. And if you keep all 5, now it's a 30% discount. So I did end up keeping 3 pieces, which I'll show you. And then in my Stitch Fix, I kept 2 pieces. So without further ado, let me tell you what I kept from Natalie Attired. Oops, sorry, I moved the cord. Okay. So the first thing that I kept...
Oh, you're doing Natalie Attired first?
So you can look, yeah. So I never had one of these before, a baseball tee, because they were always kind of clingy. And since I lost weight, I'm a little bit more comfortable wearing it. So Debbie had quite a few and I loved them. This is
I think it gives her some shape now. Like a lot of her shirts before made her look boxy and short. This actually brings it in at the waist, and so she has like a little hourglass figure now, which I think is really, it looked really attractive on her.
It's still a little bit tight, like across my
I don't think
tummy.
so. It's black, it hides.
Yeah, I mean, but this is kind of like a goal shirt, so I can't wait till this shirt's too big for me, but I really like it. I'm not a gray person at all. I wish these would have been a different color, but I love the floral. So I'm really happy with this. So what was this called, Deb? Chris and Carol baseball something?
Long sleeve open, oh no wait. Chris and Carol baseball floral top.
How much?
3/4 length sleeve, and it was retails for $42.
Okay, so just remember I got 20% off of this. And then the second item that I kept from my Natalie Attired was this Zenobia tie neck top.
Yeah, that retails for $39. I thought this was great. This she can pair with almost anything.
Yeah, I'm really not a fan of the ruffled neck with the tie, but this little ruffled neck was not big. You know what I mean? So, and it's a very lightweight kind of gauzy material. I can put colored camisoles underneath.
It's black and white, so I already love it.
Yeah, so I was really happy with it, and normally it would be a little too short for my liking, but gosh, with the weight loss I was all excited, like, it's not too short, I can keep it. All right, so that's the second thing that I caught. And how much was this?
$39.
Did you say 39? And then I do wear long sleeve cardigans sometimes in the summer because my office is cold, and I needed this like dark pink. I don't know, what color do they call this, actually, Deb? This is from Chris and Carol as well.
Fuchsia.
Fuchsia. So I needed this color to wear with, like, dresses and whatnot, but I thought it looked really cute in the video with the black and white top, actually. And it does have a nice little angle to the front of it, so I think it's somewhat flattering. It's not quite so boxy, but... And it wasn't that expensive. How much was this
$39.
Yeah, so it's a very nice work cardigan for me. So those...
But just on the other thing, I got this cardigan, which is almost identical to this one, and this one was only like 15 bucks. So I think you can shop around and find cardigans a lot cheaper than you buy through the boxes.
I do have Chris and Carol, a couple other cardigans just like this in a different color. And they wash really nice, and they hold their shape, and they don't start napping everywhere.
Yeah, that could be how I'm going to see the cheaper ones do that.
Yeah, because you could see little snags a little easier.
Well, that's because I actually snagged it with my ring. But
okay, then the 2 items that I kept from my Stitch Fix box.
So wait, before she starts, let me just show you something. This is what she got for Stitch Fix. So the first thing was this vest. The next thing was this
Orange
shirt. I don't know if you can see that. The next thing was this dress. And then this shirt and this shirt.
Right.
So you'll see what she kept out of that.
So out of that, this is by August Mist. And this is like a 3/4 length coral. What color do they call it on there?
Coral.
Okay, coral. It's got a little ruffled 3/4 sleeve. And it's like a knit material. I don't think it's too clingy.
I think it looked really good on you.
I think it'll look really cute in the summer, like a summer evening. Throw it on with some white capris or white jeans.
Or blue jeans or black jeans or taupe jeans. It goes with all of them.
Right. So I was really, really happy with this. And how much was this one?
$38.
$38.
That's not bad at all.
So I kept that one. And I needed a jean vest. The one that I have at home was way too small for me, and it still is, and it's packed away in my summer stuff. So I'm going to give that one to Debbie because she really likes the concept. Find it. Yeah. So
She's
this
got
is
bins
by
and bins of clothes.
Just USA. And when I looked up, like the sleeve is so big, and I thought, oh, this is really too small on me, but it does button up really nice without pulling. And I guess the sleeves are really big so that if you want to wear it with dolman sleeves or with dresses or whatever, there's plenty of room there, because I thought, oh my gosh, this is huge, but apparently not. So many jean jackets, sleeveless jean jackets that I looked have the really big sleeves. So I think this is great to wear with dresses, you can put it on with a tank in the summer.
The nice part about these is when you're like we're traveling in May, and it could be 55 to 70 degrees there in May. So she could put, you know, like this shirt on with a sweater over this and then the jean jacket over that. So she's got 3 layers she can take on or off. So they're showing this in this thing with a short sleeve shirt, a yellow sweater, and then the jean vest over that. So
yeah, so anyway, so then this was only like $40. $44. And I really like it. It's a very nice, by Just USA. Mm-hmm. So there you have it. There is my Natalie Attired and Stitch Fix.
Sorry about the quick video, but she was ill and had to get them back.
Yeah, so that's not so bad. So hope you enjoyed it. We've got a few more videos to do tonight. Debbie got a thread up and Stitch Fix. So we've got a few more coming at you, so we'll see you on the flip side.
Bye.
Good night.